today's episode, we're going to be teaching you about the life cycle of a butterfly. So first, there are 4 stages in the butterfly's life. So let's first start with the beginning.
It is the egg.
So here's some eggs, here's eggs, and over here there's eggs on top of here too. So the mama butterfly lays her eggs, but there's a fun fact about the butterfly when she lays her eggs. She only lays them on a particular plant. She doesn't lay it on the same area all the time. She does them on different plants and see which of her caterpillars will survive. The ones that survive for a longer time, she knows that she should be laying her eggs on that plant. So also the caterpillars do this when they come out of the egg. They are also called larvae. So the caterpillars break out of their egg by eating through it. And they eat and eat and eat the eggshell. It's the shell. And then they start eating where the leaf that they were born on. And then they eat the leaves that were near. But some leaves of plants can be poisonous and can kill these caterpillars. And this is the reason why Sarah said, who will survive the first dinner? And then after that, if they got used to eating from that plant, and they will eat and eat and eat, and they will only stop when they turn into a cocoon. Here's caterpillars. Oh, let me tell you something about the caterpillars. They are eating machines, and number 2, they are masters of the skies. You can see this one is green, so it can blend into the ground, the grass, and also the treetops. And this one is the color of the shrubs. So the ones that are not going colorful will most be able to be caught, like this one. It's purple and nothing is purple here. So the child could pick it up and know what it was. So let me tell you first one more thing about a caterpillar. So a caterpillar might just shed skin like a snake or us humans. We do it periodically, but not all the time. So see how this happens. It's called molting. When it eats and eats and eats, it grows bigger. But then its skin doesn't grow with it. So it has to remove it. And then grow another one under it. So when that one peels off, another one is already there. So at that time, it's really soft. So it takes in air and makes space. And then blows out the air once it dries. So that there will be lots of space for it to grow. Very clever caterpillars. So and then the caterpillar continues eating and eating and eating. So its life cycle here is eat, molt, grow, repeat. That's a caterpillar's job, to just eat, molt, repeat. Eat, grow, molt, repeat. Just 3 things in its life it has to do. But then it has to stop eating. Why? Because it's time to go to the very, very, very long nap time. As it is in a deep nap, this stage is called chrysalis. But please don't forget how this happened. First, it started with a butterfly laying an egg. The egg turned into a caterpillar, and now it's in chrysalis, the third stage. So the caterpillar makes this chrysalis by molting one more time. Then inside the chrysalis, there's some spooky things happening. The caterpillar removes some very digestive enzymes that eats it alive. But there's some parts that still remain. Breathing holes still remain. Also the heart, the brain, and the urinary system. So those are the parts of the caterpillar that still stay alive.
And then these cells that still remain. These cells were kept to go to a nap time when it was a caterpillar, so that they won't do the turning into a chrysalis too early. So that's why you don't see a caterpillar just turning into a chrysalis just immediately. And now, since the other cells that were making sure that never happened, now let go of them because they turned into soup. But they remain, and now they are gonna do what they know best, making a butterfly. So they rearrange themselves to make one wing, 4 wings, 6 legs, and what it uses to eat, and a whole new digestive system.
So a butterfly has 6 legs, but you could only see 4. And a butterfly has 4 wings, but you could only see 2. And also these cells there are 50 cells that are found inside one of those cells that makes a wing. So now that cell has to divide itself by 1,000 to just get 1 wing.
So if you just do the mathematics, that means 4,000 of those cells will make 4 wings. That is crazy.
That's how much effort these cells put into making a butterfly.
And once it's already time to wake up,
the chrysalis opens, it turns see-through, and the beautiful butterfly comes out. It has 2 other names it's called, adult or imago, but mostly called butterfly.
So once the butterfly goes out, this will be a red liquid spraying out. That is what the caterpillar has been brewing inside.
It's wee. Because we told you that the urinary system is still there, so it can still wee. And its brain is still there, so their brain is still controlling the urinary system.
So they don't forget memories. Scientists are still wondering how they don't forget the memories for their little caterpillar days, even though
it was a long time ago.
So scientists are still wondering about how the butterfly works. Then it becomes see-through. The chrysalis becomes see-through, and the butterfly spreads its wings. But before that, the butterfly's wings are so wet
and droopy.
They can't fly. So it has to pump liquid and blood inside so that it can be able to flap.
And their wings will become strong.
At first, the butterfly will be doing like this. But then soon when it gets used to its new wings, it will fly like it always.
And suck nectar.
Now the butterfly, instead from an egg to a caterpillar to a chrysalis, then to a butterfly, and the whole cycle goes over and
again.
over again. This cycle is called metamorphosis, and it happens to other animals like frogs. Even you have 6 stages. Before you were a baby, then you were a toddler, now you're a child, and soon you will be a teenager, then you will become an adult, and then you will become an old grandpa or grandma, depending on how old you are and depending on your gender. So hope you have learned lots about this.
So this is the life cycle of a butterfly, also known as metamorphosis, from this egg to this caterpillar, all the way to this chrysalis, and to this beautiful butterfly. It's a monarch butterfly.
You might have seen it on pictures that are talking mostly about butterflies.
So we have come to the end of our video. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell to watch more of our awesome videos.
Bye guys, and have a happy day.